You get that?
Yeah, Jed did.
With their ability to crunch through human bone in a single bite, getting up close and personal with a 1,300-pound grizzly bear is not for the faint-hearted. But for 71-year-old Doug Zeus, coming face to face with the fearsome predators is all in a day's work.
Start off. Good. That's good. Up. Good. Good.
Doug is one of Hollywood's foremost bear trainers.
My passion for bears started in hiking and being out in the wild with them. Where the grizzly bear lives, it adds dimension to the power of the environment that you're in.
Turning his passion into a career, he is one of the few people in the world who can interact with these incredible animals.
We spend enormous hours behind the scenes. That's the real fun of this. Not teaching tricks, or what you want to call tricks or behaviors, but getting into the heart and soul of a bear.
Good boy.
Here in Utah, USA, Doug lives with wife Lynn and their 3 bears, Bart 2, Honey Bump, and Tank.
Oh, good boy.
The bears all boast an impressive cinematic pedigree, having worked with stars like Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman. An 8'6" tall Bart 2 recently starred in an episode of US hit TV series Game of Thrones. The Zeus Bears are ambassadors for Vital Ground, the charity set up by Doug and wife Lynn, which has so far helped to protect and enhance nearly 600,000 acres of crucial wildlife habitat.
The health of our planet and our nest is the most important thing to us and our grizzlies.
Good. Good.